Before the mine, before the war, before the pain knocked on our door, the rivers flowed through mountain green, the most beautiful place you've ever seen. Grandfather spoke of hope and pride, standing together side by side, a future bright beneath the sun for Bougainville and everyone. But the land began to cry as the mountains touched the sky, and the people asked one question deep inside. River of tears, river of pain, how many lives were lost in vain? From Panguna to the ocean wide, we carried sorrow with the tide. Mothers waited through the night, praying for the morning light. Children dreaming without fear, while echoes of the war drew near. Brothers stood on different sides, while grief flowed with the changing tides. Yet through the darkness, through the years, the people faced their deepest fears. And the church is filled with prayer for a peace that all could share, a promise rising gently through the air. River of tears, river of pain, how many lives were lost in vain? From Panguna to the ocean wide, we carried sorrow with the tide. As a son of Bougainville, I hear the voices calling still. The covenant must not be broken, the promises were clearly spoken. History watches what we do, the world is listening to. Blessed are the peacemakers who stand for justice, peace, and their homeland. Sacrifice they made. A river of tears now flow in peace. Let the wounds of war release, and may these waters always be a river of hope and destiny. The river remembers, the people remember. And remember, and the river keeps flowing on toward freedom, toward healing, toward tomorrow.